Welcome to this energizing and invigorating guided Bellows Breath meditation, also known as Bhastrika. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to center yourself. Inhale deeply through your nose, exhaling slowly through your mouth, releasing any tensions. As we delve into the dynamic practice of Bellows Breath, envision your breath as a powerful force that stokes the internal fire of energy. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale forcefully through your nose, engaging your diaphragm and expelling the air rapidly. Let's begin. Continue this rhythmic and forceful breath, emphasizing the powerful exhalation. Inhale passively as your diaphragm expands, and exhale with a quick, sharp burst through your nose. Feel the energy building within you, awakening your body and your mind. Embrace the intensity of each breath cycle. As you maintain this bellows breath, imagine the breath as a bellows, fanning the flames of your internal fire. Feel the heat generated by this rapid breath circulating through your body, stimulating your nervous system and awakening your senses. Inhale, energize. Exhale, release. Picture the breath as a powerful force that clears away stagnation and revitalizes every cell of your being. With each breath, sense the dynamic exchange of oxygen and energy. Embrace the invigorating power of Bhastrika as it rejuvenates your entire being. Inhale, activate. Exhale, cleanse. Now, let this bellows breath extend beyond the physical. Envision a radiant field of energy surrounding you, pulsating with the vitality of each breath. As you breathe, sense this energy cleansing and revitalizing not only your body, but also your mind and spirit. Inhale, purity. Exhale, renew. As we approach the conclusion of this bellows breath session, gradually slow down the breath. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself, feeling the residual energy and clarity within. Embrace the stillness that follows the dynamic practice. When you're ready, gently return to your natural breath. Feel the afterglow of vitality and renewal within you. Slowly open your eyes, bringing this renewed energy into your surroundings. May the invigorating power of your breath bring renewed energy and clarity. Until next time, may your breath be a source of vibrant renewal.